Hello everyone, I am Sorif Hossein from Team Logic Loopers. Welcome to FitAgent, an autonomous AI health co-pilot built for the Gen AI Academy Hackathon. Let's start by loading an existing user profile. Once loaded, the dashboard gives a quick overview of the user's current health metrics, daily calorie summary, and recent activities. But FitAgent is not just a tracker, it's an active planner. Here is where the magic happens. By clicking Generate Health Plan, our system uses Google Cloud Vertex AI and Gemini to analyze the user's specific goals and dietary preferences, like Indian non-veg habits. Within seconds, it creates a highly personalized 14-hour actionable daily schedule, complete with nutritional insights and Ayurvedic principles. But knowing isn't doing. FitAgent bridges this gap through autonomous execution. With a single click, users can sync these AI-generated plans as actionable alarms. By exporting the schedule, they get native OS-level calendar files and task scripts, forcing adherence even when the browser is closed. FitAgent also features a deep food nutritional analysis engine. Let's search for a common Indian item like rice. While a quick analysis gives immediate facts, the detailed analysis leverages Gemini to provide structured data, breaking down macronutrients, Ayurvedic dosha impacts, food pairing recommendations, and its best use for specific health goals. FitAgent transforms health knowledge into daily, automated actions. Thank you for watching our prototype demo for the hackathon, Code Hack with Sorif.